Hello guys, my name is Gurshan. Today, we're gonna be playing with Lego Duplo on Mr. Hero's channel. This is the home of the Lego Duplo people. This is the son. This is the daughter. They're both in the bedroom. This is the mom in the kitchen. She was cooking some food. This is the son and daughter waking up from their nap. Hi, good morning. How was your sleep? It was good. How was yours? It was good. I wanna brush my teeth first. Okay, I'll take a shower. I'm gonna brush my teeth. I love brushing my teeth. We should brush every day. This is a nice and warm bath. I love taking baths every day. This is the mom. She's just finished cooking breakfast. Everybody, breakfast is ready. Mom, we're ready. We're at the table. Mom, the food was so yummy. Thanks for the food. Hey sister, you wanna go play? Yes, let's go play. I wanna go on the slide. This is the living room. This is where everybody talks and relaxes. This is the grandma, this is the grandpa, and this is the dad. Hey, where are the kids? I wanna go on the red horse. I wanna go on the yellow slide. The horse is so fun. Whee! The slide is gonna be so fun. Whee! Brother, I've played on the slide for so long. Can we switch so I can go on the horse? Yeah, I also want to try the slide. The horse is so fun. The slide is gonna be so fun. Whee! I'm gonna go on the slide one more time. The red horse is so fun. I love it. There's dinosaurs. I see a dinosaur. Mom, Dad, Grandma, Grandpa, I see a dinosaur. Hey kids, what happened? Where is he? There's a dinosaur. We saw him at the park. Let me see where this dinosaur is. Hey dinosaur, stop scaring my kids. Hi. Stop. Yay Dad, you got him. It's a good thing we're back again with our family. It's always good to respect and be with your family. Because whenever you're with your family, you can get through anything. Thanks for watching the video. My name is Gurshan, and we'll be back with another video next week. So please like and subscribe.